Hello everyone, this is me, Button the cat, and today, excuse the background noise, that's just my parents, and today, I just bought something from Dollarama, and these are, fake LPS. Yes, I had the random urge to buy it for my collection, so yeah. These are made by Montoy, and they don't really have a name to them, like a Playful Pets or something like that. But here they are. So I'm gonna show you what the package looks like. Let's get the line here. They were horribly packaged. Like, wow. And as you can see, here are some of the LPSs. Here's the right. Here's the back. And there's the same LPSs here. And then there's the left, we have another one. So yeah, it's pretty bland, really. Were these made in China? Oh yes, these were made in China. So yeah, these are Chinese bootlegs, really. Sorry everyone, someone came into the room, so I had to move. So, anyways, yeah, they're pretty bland. Yeah, they're made in China, and so are official LPSs as well, like me. So yeah, let's start opening them. I'll start with the panda since I wanted a panda for a while, and then I got one, but it's fake. But man, that'll do. Anyways, let's get these human hands and take the tape off. If I could. Oh my goodness, I have to do this with my kind of off camera because kind of hard for me to unbox with one hand. That is. Okay, let's open it up. So, open for me. Okay, finally got it open. Let's see what we have. So, let's get the LPS out first. So we got a panda. It looks facing the body is put on the wrong way, so let's fix that really. There you go. This is similar to Penny Ling. And of course the head is kind of squishy. So that's normal for fake LPSs. It also comes with a garbage can, so we could put the tape into it maybe. Just yeah, alright. So got a garbage can, and it also comes with a broom, and there's a dustpan to it too. Get it out. Die. It's like a broom and a dustpan, so like sweeping scenes for some films, really. A bucket, and then we got some palm trees. If I could stand up. There we go. And then we got a picture of the fake LPSs, really. Or maybe they're official. They just put that in there. So yeah, that's the panda. Let's move everything aside now and get on to the lion. And do this off camera again. Oh. Gotta get them out. There. So. Focus, focus. Okay, so let's open it up. Sorry, my background noise again. Good. Let's do some more. So let's get everything out here. Whoa, okay. First, the LPS. Yeah, the lion. Get it back, like here. So, yeah. Squishy head again. Also has a string on here. Just get that out. Okay, cool. So this is the lion. Right here. And they got the same things right over here. Pretty much. So we got some accessories. And yeah, those are all. This is the fake LPSs here. Like a panda could come here. So those are the two fake LPSs. I also saw like something that looked like Sunil from the show, the LPS show. I forgot his last name. And then I saw something like Zoe Trent. And I don't know if I already said this, but this one kind of looks like Penny Ling. Yeah, and then I saw something that looks like a hamster and a pony. So, yeah, but they're all pretty much the same purple color. So that's quite boring. Anyways, that's all for this video, and I am going to be making a weird family episode about a weird family episode after this video. So if you want to get notified for that, then make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Okay, bye everyone. Me.